Let's connect with our chartists to find out their views on the markets. Dr. C.K. Narayan as well as Kunal Bothra joining in as always. A brand new week. Good morning, gentlemen. And what's in store in terms of your trading calls, Dr. Narayan?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everybody. Yes, and the SGX is up in a brand new week, and therefore we can look for continuation of the advance. And the notable thing at the end of last week was that the Nifty continues to outperform the Bank Nifty. And on Friday, if you look at the FI data, we find that the FIs have actually created long positions in Nifty futures, not in Bank Nifty. And alongside, they have also cut a lot of their option positions, particularly the shorts. So it does seem that this position created in Nifty futures could potentially be a directional one. So we look forward to better times with the Nifty going higher. It will then create a sentiment domino, which should create some positivity in the market. So I think with that as a background, we can have a couple of longs which I am kind of recommending today. First up, by Balkrishna Industries. Now that's a stock which has staged a nice move upward, moving almost towards all-time new highs. So Balkrishna is a buy. Stop loss at 1300, target at 1350 for today. Second stock to buy would be Escorts. I think strong bullish trends continue to prevail here, and we should be looking for a move towards the 1085 target for today. So go long with the target, which should be around 1050.
That's the take coming in from Dr. Narayan. Meantime, Kunal, with the SGX Nifty indicating that it's going to be quite a heady week, what are you mapping out for the index? Are we going to move to higher terrain? And share with us what would be your strategy then?
So good morning, Avan. Good morning, everyone. Yes, I think the momentum is, of course, on the sides of the market. I think stocks-wise, sector-wise as well, there are a lot of strength which has emerged into the indices. But then, we are heading into one of the major resistances of 10,700 on the Nifty spot. So I think that's something to take note of, whether we take resistance, whether we continue to struggle at these levels or not, or whether there's supply which emerges at those levels or not. So I think in that regards, yes, you maintain the long positions or the long stance, but of course you try and trail your stop losses significantly higher. So I think 10,500 should now emerge as a good trailing stop loss mechanism, and traders can hold on to long positions till the time the Nifty is above these levels. I'll initiate a couple of buy calls at these levels, and both of them are the ones which I've been discussing earlier as well, and the ones which have continued to move up higher. Bharti Airtel is the first stock, and I believe after Friday's move, the stock seems to have decisively given signs of a breakout yet again. So that lull or the sideways range the stock was going through seems to be now getting over, and the stock is showing signs of a strong built up on the option side as well. So there was some good built up on the 620 call option for Bharti Airtel in that regards as well. So I'm expecting that the stock should try and challenge the the break about the 600 mark pretty soon. Hence a buy on Bharti Airtel. Targets to be kept at 610, stop loss at 560. The second would be a buy on Balkrishna Industries. I think even this stock on Friday did exceptionally well. It was almost a 4 or 5% kind of an up move for the stock price. Managed to cross and close above the 1300 mark, which was yet again a confirmation of a close above major resistance levels for Balkrishna Industries. So that's also a buy. Targets to be kept at 1360 and stop loss at 1290.
All right, let's also bring you the good news of the day then this morning. More than 42.7 million e-way bills were generated in June with a total value of 12.4 lakh crores. That's higher than the numbers for March of over 40 million bills that clocked a value of 11.43 lakh crores, indicating that the movement of goods was getting close to the levels of pre-lockdown days. An e-way bill, an electronic way bill, is a document that needs to be generated by registered GST taxpayers for interstate movement of goods if the value of the consignment is more than 50,000 rupees. It's one of the prominent indicators of economic activity. On 30th June, the last day of Unlock 1, more than 1.83 million e-way bills were generated, which is the highest since the enforcement of the lockdown, with goods value of over 54,500 crore. That's according to data released by Goods and Services Tax Network on Sunday.